gentlemen, we need to have a talk. Okay, so I've been off of social media for a good while now, and not just like completely like not posting or anything like that, because I got to post for my business, but I mean just mindlessly scrolling on social media. Let me tell you why I did that. So the reason why I did that is because there's so much negativity on social media. It's getting ridiculous. It's literally getting ridiculous. There is a war between men and women for no reason. The men are like, there is no good women, da, 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 da. And then the women are like, there are no good men. Niggas saying, da, 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 they ain't, you know what? Everybody just sucks. It's no better on either side. Women have it bad, men have it bad. We all just have it bad. We all gonna be single, da 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 da. We ain't never gonna have kids, da 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 da. And then what happens when we talk about each other like this? We still have kids with each other, right? We still have those unsolicited kids, right? We still have to go get those abortions though. You still giving it up. You still passing it around. All I gotta say, you can't be talking about this person ain't this ain't this, da 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 da, and then turn right back around and have a kid. I mean, I love your baby, I love your kid. Don't get me wrong, like I love everybody, I love your kid. But baby, check yourself before you wreck yourself, okay? Okay. In today's video, we are gonna have a serious talk because we are bashing each other, yet we're over here, you know what I mean, like we're intermingling, if you know what I mean. We need to have a talk about that. More specifically towards my ladies, because, I'm guilty of it myself. I'm a lady. I know what it is. But, men, this is for you too. So if you're interested in hearing what I have to say about, like, this whole debate and what I have to say about, getting yourself a good man, attracting yourself your treasure, attracting yourself that dream woman, attracting your treasure, this video is for you. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Haelee Moone, and I'm the CEO of The Rules of a Big Boss LLC. I'll have it linked down below, so make sure that you go click on my website and see what I have to be offering courses this June. It is officially starting to up and run. We are getting it together, so if that's something you're interested in, make sure that you click in the description. Also, thank you so much for clicking on my video, whether you've been here or whether you're new. Thank you so much. Hi, my name is Haelee, as I've said before. Thank you so much for joining this video. But before we get into this video, I'm gonna need you to, like, subscribe, all of that jazz. Comment down below even how you feel about what I even said at the beginning of the intro. I'm gonna give you a few seconds to do that. What a lovely feeling. Did you do it? Okay, great. Now you can watch the video. Okay, so today, like I said in the beginning, like I said in the thumbnail, all of that, we are going to be talking about the men versus women debate. That's what I'm gonna call it, because men are like, women who's gonna be traditional. She needs to be submissive. She needs to da da da. She needs to da 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 da, and it's just all over the place. Then women are like, yeah, either they're gonna be point A or they're gonna be point B. Point A is, I need a traditional man. He needs to protect me. He needs to make me feel safe. He needs to da 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 da. Don't get me wrong. I'm type A, but there's toxic type A, and then there's healthy type A. Okay. There's even a gray point. There's even right down the middle. And then point B is, I'm an independent woman. I don't need no man. I can pay my own bills. I can do this. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go 50-50. Matter of fact, I can open my own door. First of all, I'm not opening my own door. That's just me. But anyway, so here's what I have to say about this. We have so many standards. We have so many standards. We want so much out of everyone else. We have all these expectations out of everyone else. But where are these expectations for ourselves? We claim we want a traditional man. We want a traditional woman. We claim we want to get married. We want to have kids. But what are we doing to ourselves? We want someone that we can trust, but are we trusting ourselves? We want to have someone who knows our body, but do we know our own bodies? Are we taking care of our bodies? Are we putting a lot of junk food into our bodies? Are we building trust with ourselves? Are we getting to the bag? Or are we sitting at home scrolling on TikTok? Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Okay? Because you can't sit up here and talk about some, I want this, I want this, I want somebody to do da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da, but you're not doing it for yourself. How can you expect somebody to provide for you when, girl, you can't even pay for your own hair? You can't even pay for your own nails. You can't even pay to get your own lashes done. Baby, you think you're going to get a relationship, all of a sudden you're going to have all this money from him? You're not. I promise you. Because if you didn't have that before, why would he sit up here and pay for that now? Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Because think about it. Put yourself in his shoes, right? Say that you're dating a girl, like she is your dream girl. She is the epitome of your girl. She is just everything to you. She is up here. She's on the pedestal. Say that this is the case, right? If she's not getting her nails done before you, she's not getting her hair done, she's not doing all of that, she's not paying for all these expensive things, and then you come along, all of a sudden she wants those things. Are you going to want to give her those things? Or are you going to be like, well, why all of a sudden do you want me to pay for it? Like, what's the point of this? Like, are you being a gold digger? Like, what's going on? Right. And for my men out there, so just a quick question. Why is it, not all men, but there are quite a few. My question to you is, why do you hold on to the past so feverishly? This can go to women too. Why do you hold on to the past so feverishly? Why do you feel the need to bash women, come up on social media complaining about your breakup? Why? Like, genuine question. It's a genuine question. That is for you to answer to yourself. You need to ask yourself, why? Why do I sit up here and get on social media and bash men? Why do I sit up here and, bash women? Why do I sit up here and be like, there is no good men, there's no good women, da-da-da-da-da? That's the belief that you want to subscribe to. That is the belief that you're going to find every time. If you believe that niggas ain't this, if you believe that women ain't this, or B-I-T-C-H-E-S ain't da-da-da-da, that's exactly what you're going to attract. You are what you attract. If you are attracting men who only want you for your body, do you believe that you are worth more than your body? If you as a man are attracting women who don't have money, they want to use you for your money. First of all, if you got it like that, it don't matter to you. It don't matter to you. That's only if you got it like that. But if you don't have it like that and that's all that you're attracting, do you believe that you're worth more than your money? Because you can't subscribe to a belief and have it not be attached some way to you, because every person that you attract is going to hit you right here. It's going to hit you right in your insecurities. It's going to hit your flaws. When you're in a relationship with someone, when you argue, this is you clashing, but this is you clashing so that you can be like this, so that you can be intertwined. It's going to clash so that you can be intertwined. I promise you. I literally can guarantee it. The person that is meant for you will trigger the hell out of you. I'm so freaking serious. They will trigger you, but they will trigger you in a positive way. They will trigger you, and then y'all will be able to come together and communicate, like, okay, how can we move forward with this? How can we move forward? How can we grow together? How can we do this? How can I make your life easier? That is what that relationship that is meant for you is going to look like. It is not going to be why did you do this? Why you? Every time you argue, pointing fingers. You did this, you did this, you did this, you did this. First of all, that's not healthy. You makes the person feel charged, therefore they're gonna come right back at you. You saying you when you telling them that you don't like something, they're gonna just charge right back at you, boo. They're gonna charge right back at you. If you say, I feel like I'm not worthy when you like other girls' pictures. There you go. That is open to conversation now. Now, granted, some people are going to be toxic. They're not going to be able to hold on to that. And then if they're not, you have the decision to either cut them loose or you can work with them through it. But majority of the time, sometimes you're going to have to cut through it. You just going to have to keep it pushing. Because, some people just aren't at that capacity. If you're up here, this person is like right underneath you. You can meet them here if you want to, or they can come up here if they want to. It is on both parties. It is on both sides to get what you want. It is on both sides. It is not all them. Why do men do this? Why do this? No, you have to start to take accountability. You have to start looking at yourself and looking at yourself. If people keep cheating on you and doing you dirty, are you doing yourself dirty? If people keep treating you like you're trash, are you treating yourself like trash? Are you treating other people like trash? You are what you attract. And it sounds harsh to say it, but shoot, I'm guilty of it too. Like literally, right? So I was talking to this one dude, right? We're not going to go into all the details about that. Those of you who know me, you know what I'm talking about. But he triggered me so bad. He triggered my abandonment. I'm not even gonna say my abandonment, because I don't claim that reality. I don't subscribe to that. When it triggered abandonment issues that I've had in the past. I have a history of, being left, of, like feeling like I'm alone with no explanation. I felt like I wasn't worthy. So what did I do? I attracted someone who made me feel like I wasn't worthy. I attracted exactly what I said I didn't want, because instead of focusing on what I wanted, I focused on what I didn't want. I said, I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't want this, instead of I want this. I'm literally telling you that you need to create a vision board. Create a vision board for that dream relationship, for that dream person that you want. Create that vision board and literally look at that vision board every day. Feel the energy. Go and look on social media. Not social media, maybe YouTube, I would say. Go to YouTube. Watch healthy couples. Listen to healthy couple podcasts. Look at your grandparents, even if they're still married. Look at whoever will give you that satisfaction to be like, I can have this for myself. Because I promise you, out of a billion, trillion people in this world, there's going to be one good person. There's going to be at least one person who is meant for you, as long as you subscribe to that belief. And that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time, and make sure that you give me feedback, whether you want to DM me on Instagram or whether you want to, comment down below. Regardless, I appreciate it. Make sure that you share this video, you give this a big thumbs up, and you make sure that you subscribe. Thank you so much. Love you.